The two verses 24 and 25 from Surah Sad, which is chapter number 38. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna haza akhi lahu tisum wa tisuna najatan wa liya najatun wahida. Faqala akfilniha wa'azzani fil khitab. Qala laqad zalamaka bisu'ali najatika ila niyajihi وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا مِّنَ الْخُلَطَاءِ لَيَبْغِي بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَقَلِيلٌ مَّا هُمْ وَظَنَّ دَاوُودُ أَنَّمَا فَتَنَّاهُ فَاسْتَغْفَرَ رَبَّهُ وَخَرَّ رَاكِعًا وَأَنَابَ. The translation of these two verses is, this is my brother, he has 99 Eves and I have one Eve, yet he says, give it to me, and has been overbearing to me in his address. David said, surely he has wronged thee in demanding thy Eve in addition to his own Eve, and certainly many partners transgress against one another, except those who believe in God and do good works, and these are but few. And David perceived that we had tried him, so he asked forgiveness of his Lord and fell down bowing in worship and turned to him.
Now the question.
Yeah, what is this 99 and 1? First question. And second, what was the wrong judgment by David? Seems to me okay.
Why have they translated it by Eve? It's sheep?
Sheep, yeah.
It's here,
Says sheep in my translation as well.
That's a new word, I don't know.
Huh?
That's a new word for me. E-W-E-S. E-W-E-S.
Use.
Yes.
Use. So you were saying Eve. Eve is completely different. Huh? That can be applicable.
Yes.
But the real translation is sheep. You see, number one, it should be remembered that the Middle Ages interpreters of the Quran have completely misunderstood it, perhaps because of some narrations of the Jewish people regarding Hazrat David. They say that what Quran is referring to was an incident about David having 99 wives. And he fell in love with a commander of his army, a wife of a commander of his army, and he sent him intentionally to a front which was very dangerous. So in that case, in the case that he could have been martyred there, he would marry the wife of that commander. So this, they say, was told by God through a vision where angels entered the palace and put this question to him. This is absolutely false. It has nothing to do with the reality and with the real piety of Hazrat Dawood. Now what happened was that Hazrat Dawood was given a great, you see, a great country where he won the battles against some states one after the other and continued to do so until he got 99 states conquered. And once he thought, why not make it 100? So he wanted to add another state which was an innocent state, which had never rebelled against Dawood and had given him no cause of offense. So Allah wanted to make him understand that don't think in terms of 99 and 100 and this is stupid. I mean, this is, Allah could say it's wrong. So you better be kind to people and be just. and the post state, small state which you are going to attack is innocent, and you have no right to invade that small innocent state. So that is what we think is the real meaning of this dialogue between angels and Hazrat Dawood. Again, the people think, the mullahs particularly think, that they were not angels, they were human beings who, one brother was fighting in a dialogue with another brother, and he was complaining against his brother about 99 sheep and 1 sheep. This is all false. They were angels. No human being could have dared to enter that palace because it was very well guarded, and it was a huge palace. It was impossible for human beings to enter that palace, jump the gate in the dead of night. And secondly, another thing which should be noted, Hazrat Dawood's court was open to everybody during the day. If any two brothers had any quarrel, they could approach him, because the doors of the palace to hear complaints of people was never closed. So why should they have gone jumping the walls, etc., and do it in the middle of the night? It's just a misunderstanding of the people, the whole metaphor, which is spiritual.